This is a breathwork session that you can come to whenever you're feeling anxious. In this practice, we'll be using the breath to help down-regulate the nervous system and bring you into a calmer state. So when you're ready, find a position lying down. This could be on your bed or on a yoga mat on the floor. But wherever you choose to be, make sure that you are supported and comfortable. Perhaps you would like to rest your head on a pillow and even place something underneath the knees to elevate the legs slightly. Once you've found your comfortable position, close your eyes and tune in. Notice how you feel right now. This can be a really difficult thing to do when we're feeling anxious. There is a temptation to distract ourselves, to try and run away from the anxiety, to get rid of it or at least to change it in some way. This resistance often ends up just creating more anxious energy. So instead of trying to fight against it, can you take a moment to be with it? As opposed to meeting that anxiety with aversion, can you lean into it? Allow it to be there in your body. It's okay. Trust me to guide you. And trust yourself to be here in this moment and follow my voice. Start to tune into your breath. If the breath feels a little erratic right now, that's okay. It's normal when we're feeling anxious for the breath to be a little uneven or short. Just notice how it is for a moment without trying to change anything. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, filling up the lungs just as much as you can, and if it feels okay, holding the breath at the top for 3, 2, 1. Take a big sigh out the mouth. And again, deep breath in, through the nose, all the way to the top. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. And let it go, big sigh out the mouth. Last one here, deep breath in through the nose. Fill the lungs up just as much as you can. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1, take a big sigh out the mouth. And allow your breath to return back to its normal, natural rhythm, in and out through the nose. Once again, can you take a moment to check in? This time, perhaps pinpointing where in the body you feel the anxiety the most. It could be up in the chest or maybe in the belly. Wherever it is, can you start to imagine you are breathing into that space? Sending your inhale to that area of the body where you feel the anxiety. And then exhaling and releasing out. I'm going to introduce a slightly different breathing technique now. So we'll take a full breath in through the nose. Again, filling the lungs up, breathing all the way to the top, maybe pausing and holding the breath for a second. But on the exhale, can we breathe out through the mouth, making a shh sound, as if you were telling someone to be quiet. So we breathe in through the nose, all the way to the top, pause for a moment, and exhale, all the way out. Stay with this breath for a few more rounds if you can. Deep breath in through the nose, filling the lungs up, and exhale. Keep this going in your own time. And try to keep your awareness on your breath. Listen to the sound of your breath and feel the vibration of your exhale. When you're ready, Let that breath go. Begin to breathe normally back in and out through the nose. Take a moment to tune back in. Notice any physiological or psychological changes or shifts. Try not to judge or criticize what you find. Just notice. Just observe what's there. We're now going to do a second round of our shushing breath. So taking a deep breath in through the nose, all the way to the top. Holding for a moment. And then releasing out the mouth with your shh. Once again, listening to the sound of your breath and feeling the vibration of your exhale. Keep going with this for a few more rounds. Maybe each time you breathe, you can slightly lengthen that exhale. When you're ready, let that breath go and breathe normally back in and out through the nose. Keep the breath slow and soft. And once again, just notice how you feel. Know that this breath is always here. It's always available to you to help get you through challenging times. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a big sigh out the mouth. Bring some gentle movement back into the body. Slowly blink the eyes back open. And come back to the room that you're in.